Each canvas is 33 inches by 37 inches. Prep the canvas, lay it flat. If there's old art you hate, good. It's about to disappear forever. Extra reinforcement. Staples. On Amazon for less than $25. Matte fabric looks more expensive than shiny. Iron the curtain first. Wrinkles scream, I tried. Fabric or canvas style curtain straight better than plastic. Hand steaming. The fabric ironing did not work. Leave 2 to 3 inches extra on all sides. Staple or tape everything down. Confidence comes from margins. No loose flaps. This isn't a sale. We don't want this frame falling apart. Paint over parts of the design with acrylics. Gold leaf a few details for instant gallery energy. End result: oversized wall art for under $25. Looks custom and dramatic. Total size 66 inches by 47 inches. And nobody needs to know, it once blocked a bathtub.